So hey there, welcome back to another video of AI Mini YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll be talking about the applications of artificial intelligence. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and like this particular video, so you never miss an update. Before getting started, I want to add on that we have talked about the types of artificial intelligence in the last videos. We talked about the it's like branches of artificial intelligence in the later video as well, and we have also talked about the differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. So in this video, we'll be talking about the applications of artificial intelligence, which is very good to know about because AI is a thing and AI will not vanish in a while. Like I said in the last video, that you need to learn about artificial intelligence. So here are the applications of artificial intelligence: machine translation, such as Google Translate; self-driving vehicles, such as it's like Waymo; AI robots, such as Sophia and Avo; speech recognition applications like Apple Siri or OK Google. Now that we have gone over the basics of artificial intelligence, let's move on to the machine learning and see how it works. So, what is machine learning? So, machine learning is a discipline of computer science that uses computer algorithms and analytics to build it's like predictive models that can solve business problems. As per McKinsey and Corporation, machine learning is based on algorithms that can learn from data without relying on rules-based programming. Tom Mitchell's book on machine learning says a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of task T and performance measure P. If its performance at task in T as measured by P improves the experience E. You see, machine learning has numerous definitions, but how does it really work? So the thing that we are talking about is how does machine learning work? So machine learning accesses vast amounts of data, both structured and unstructured, and learns from it to predict the future. It learns from the data by using multiple algorithms and techniques. Below is a diagram that shows how a machine learns from data. We got the past data, then learns from the past data, and the predicts the output. That's the simple concept of machine learning. We fed some past data into a machine that learns from the past data and predicts the output. So now that you have been introduced to the basics of machine learning and how it works, let's see the different types of machine learning methods. So types of machine learning. The first one is type of machine learning is supervised learning. So in supervised learning, the data is already labeled, which means you know the target variable. Using this method of learning, system can predict future outcomes based on past data. It requires that at least an input and output variable be given to the model for it to be trained. Below is an example of supervised learning method. The algorithm is trained using labeled data of dogs and cats. The trained model predicts whether the new image is that of a cat or a dog. So some examples of supervised learning include linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machines, naive and decision trees. So the second one is unsupervised learning. So unsupervised learning algorithms employ unlabeled data to discover patterns from the data on their own. The systems are able to identify hidden features from the input data provided. Once the data is more readable, the patterns and similarities become more evident. Below is an example of an unsupervised learning method that trains a model using unlabeled data. In this case, the data consists of different vehicles. The purpose of the model is to classify each kind of vehicle. So some examples of unsupervised learning include k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, and anomaly detection. The third one, which is my favorite, is reinforcement learning. So the goal of reinforcement learning is to train an agent to complete a task within an uncertain environment. The agent receives observations and a reward from the environment and sends actions to the environment. The reward measures how successful action is with respect to completing the task goal. Below is an example that shows how a machine is trained to identify shapes. So examples of reinforcement learning algorithms include Q-learning and deep Q-learning neural networks. Now let's have a chat about the machine learning processes. So machine learning involves seven steps. Data gathering, data pre-processing, it's like choosing the model, model training, model testing, tune model, and prediction. So machine learning applications, so sales reforecasting for different products, fraud analysis in banks, product recommendations, stock price prediction. Now that we explored machine learning and its applications, let's turn our attention to deep learning. What is it and how is it is different from AI and machine learning? So what is deep learning? That's the first thing that we need to talk about. Anyways, deep learning is a subset of machine learning that deals with algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms can work with an enormous amount of both structured and unstructured data. Deep learning's core concept lies in artificial neural network, which enable machines to make decisions. The major difference between deep learning versus machine learning is the way that data is represented to machine. Machine learning algorithms usually require structured data. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching.